Section 3.3, Example 5. Mark, Abby, and 5 other students are standing in a line. Determine the probability Mark and Abby are standing together. So again, we have Mark, Abby, and 5 other students. So there are 7 students in total that we are looking to arrange in a line. Our total number of ways to do so. Again, they are being arranged in a line, so order does matter. So this is a permutation of arranging all 7 students. So 7p7. Or we can consider that as 7 factorial ways to do so, and that gives us 5,040 ways. Our favorable outcomes is to have Mark and Abby standing together. So if I place Mark and Abby together, there are 2 ways or 2 factorial ways to arrange those 2 people. We can have Mark, Abby, or Abby and Mark. In addition, there are 5 other students. Together with this group of 2, there are 6 objects that we are arranging, and there are 6 factorial ways to arrange those 6 objects. So our total favorable outcomes is 2 factorial multiplied by 6 factorial. There are 1440 ways to do that. To find our probability of Mark and Abby standing together is our favorable outcomes divided by our total. The favorable outcomes, 1440, divided by 5,040, and that gives us 28.6%. To continue, there is a part B for this question. We have just found the probability that Mark and Abby are standing together. Part B asks, determine the probability Mark and Abby are not standing together. So the probability of not standing together is going to be 100% subtract the probability where they are standing together. So 100% subtract 28.6% gives us 71.4%.